Welcome back to another episode of Unboxed. My name is Rich, and today I'm bringing you yet another accessory for the DJI Ronin-S and other single-handed gimbals like it. Inside this package I just received from Amazon is the DFDigitalfoto Universal L bracket handle. Now what this does is this mounts to the center column here, and gives you an additional handle, so another place to hold the gimbal, as well as an accessory point where you can add, say, a monitor or a microphone or whatever accessory you might need. So let's get this out of the package, get it unboxed, and check it out. Now that we've got it out of all of that packaging, this is the DigitalFoto. Model number is M06672 L bracket, and it says it's for all single-handed gimbals like the DJI, the Zhiyun, the Feiyu, the Moza, etc. And it looks like it gives you enough handheld space, and it looks like it probably would be a nice extra handle. On the back, we can see an example, and they show it holding a monitor and it attached to the bottom thread. And you know, it looks like it just gives you a nice extra place to put your hands and hold it a little bit easier for the gimbal. It looks like it also comes with that accessory mount and a bag to hold it in, a wrench and something else, a cold shoe. Oh, that's cool. All right, so now that we've got that out of the way, let's get out of the box and check it out more. Inside the box, we are greeted with some packaging that holds the L bracket, and it looks like the Allen wrench and a thumb screw or adapter is in here as well. We also have some pouch, and inside this pouch we have our accessory adapter. That's awesome. I'm so glad this comes with it because I reviewed something else recently, a spring handle that did not have this included, and I mean, they showed it on the box and it wasn't in there, so I'm glad I have this here. Now that we've got everything out of the box, let's see how it mounts to the Ronin and check it out more. So now that I've got everything out of the box and unpacked, I'm going to take this DFDigitalfoto L bracket and mount it to the bottom of my DJI Ronin-S gimbal. So it looks as simple as just unscrewing the feet tripod of the Ronin-S and threading the L bracket into the same 1/4 inch hole. And now I have to make a decision. Do I want it on the left side or do I want it on the right side? Now I'm right-handed, so I'm going to want it on the right side. The good thing is there is a 1/4 inch thread here on the bottom of this bracket as well, which means I can take my feet and screw them right back on in. So now I haven't lost anything, but I have definitely gained some stability by being able to hold it even smoother than before. So now I'm going to add some accessories, and for this example I'm going to use a Rode Video Micro. I'm going to put it into the cold shoe. I'm going to take the included bracket that came with this, and I'm going to put in a little Amaran AL9 aperture light. And it should be as simple as just screwing this in. So this has multiple 1/4 inch threads. There are one in the top. There are multiple 1/4 inch threads on here. One in the top, one here for the under the hot shoe. There's one here in the back. There's one here on the side. There's another one here in the back, which means that you could also mount something to the side here or this little bottom angle as well. So there's a multitude of accessory points you could actually load this thing down with. So I'm just going to screw on my light, simple as that, and then I'm going to mount my microphone into the cold shoe, and and adjust. And pretty much this is already ready to go. Now all I need to do is mount my camera here and we can see just how smooth this will actually be in real life usage. The extra handle gives me a lot more added stability than just putting all the weight onto the center and maybe shaking a little bit. I can feel already just by holding it that it is way more stable than it was before. And that means much smoother shots are going to come out of it. Now, in the bag here, they did include another 1/4-inch thread, a double thread. So, for example, I can show you that I can just thread it in right here, and that gives me another accessory point right here. Very cool. Good job, guys. And the Allen wrench is to remove the hot shoe, or cold shoe, I mean. I happen to like this L bracket very, very much, and I think DFDigitalfoto did a fantastic job with this. And it will make shooting everything with my Ronin so much more stable than it already is. I mean, it's already a very stable gimbal, but I feel, you know, sometimes I'm holding it and I feel like I still have a little bit of handshake. And, you know, that's what the gimbal is for, to smooth that out. But if I'm already going in much more stable, then I'm going to get much more stable shots. That's a pretty good way of thinking. Plus, I really love that it has all these different accessory mounts or accessory points. But I just thought of one more usage for this that's completely outside of the gimbal world. I am shooting with a GH5, Panasonic GH5, and I just thought, why not see if this L bracket fits onto the GH5? Now, I have a feeling it's not gonna fit the way I would like it on the right side because there's just not enough room here and it doesn't really expand. But if I switch it to the left side, I have my grip on the right and I'll have the L bracket on the left. Let's give that a shot. So I'm gonna take off the feet of the Ronin. I'm gonna take off the L bracket, and I'm going to switch cameras to the GoPro. So I'm going to switch cameras to the GoPro so we can see if this will work and what it looks like. Okay, so now that I have removed the L bracket from my DJI Ronin-S, I am going to see how it stacks up and works with my Panasonic Lumix GH5. And obviously it will not mount on the right side, but that's okay because you've already got a grip there to hold the camera. We want to make it more stable, so we want to add it to the left side, and it looks like it lines up absolutely perfectly. So let me just screw this in and tighten it, and just like that, I now have a handle for my GH5. The GH5 already has great in-body stabilization, so this is actually going to take any of that little handheld shake that I may have had if I was doing it single-handed and smooth that out even more, which is going to basically give me even greater shots. Plus it also gives me another point to mount my light and my microphone. It frees up the cold shoe and hot shoe on my camera, and I can put maybe a monitor there instead. That's awesome. So this is probably one of the coolest products I have gotten a hold of in quite a while. This is the DFDigitalfoto M06672 L bracket. It's designed for gimbals, but it works with cameras just as well. In fact, I think I may even like it more on my camera than I like it on the gimbal, but it's actually really good for both. So this is going to get a lot of use. Total thumbs up from me. Great job, DFDigitalfoto. This is going to be in my camera bag probably from now on because I don't see a reason to ever not have it with me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like this video, please give me a thumbs down twice. Think about subscribing so you can see more of my videos as I upload them. I have a lot more coming. And if you wouldn't mind, please check out my vlog video. Look for Rich Mazza, R-I-C-H-M-A-Z-A on YouTube. Thank you for checking out this review. I hope you've enjoyed the video. All right, thanks guys. Check this thing out. It's awesome. Bye.